Namaste. Good morning everybody. This is Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we learn a 12th lesson. The name of the lesson is The World During the World Wars. This is part 2 video. As we know that the immediate cause of World War I is the assassination of Ferdinand. A Serbian was assassinated, Ferdinand. And before that one we have seen so many long-term causes were there. Among them we have discussed them in part 1 video. They are just recall here: aggressive nationalism, imperialism, secret alliances. Last part is Balkan politics. In this video we start here Balkan politics onwards. What is meant by Balkan politics? Balkan, actually we see here, this is Balkan Peninsula. This is a peninsular means what? See here, a piece of land which is covered by three sides of water. Here water, Black Sea. See, this is what? Sea, water, water, here water. This region is actually in those days ruled by Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire. After declaring of Ottoman Empire, this part was occupied by East European countries. Among them, this Serbia was captured by Serbia was occupied by Austria. So that is why the Serbian was took a short weapon and killed that Ferdinand, the Prince of Austria. This is the cause. It is known as what? Balkan politics. Balkan politics nothing but the declining of Ottoman. After the declining of Ottoman Empire, this region, these countries were occupied by European countries by playing some fox tricks. These politics called as what? Balkan politics. Okay, now we go for next. So now see here Balkan politics. Now we able to see, read here, the immediate cause of World War I is a Bosnian Serb assassinated the Crown Prince of Austria, Archduke Ferdinand. It was took place on June 28, 1914. We able to see here Serbia is in the group of triple entity countries. Triple entity countries nothing but America, Britain, France, Russia. These countries called as what? Triple entity countries. Okay, or allied countries. Allied countries also correct only. Okay, allied countries. Allied countries are triple entity countries. Both are same only. Now we able to read here triple allied countries. Triple allied countries means Austria, Italy, okay, Germany. Okay, Germany also here we should write here Germany. Okay, Germany. Okay, Hungary, Italy. These are the countries. Okay, Hungary also we have to write here Hungary. These countries are known as what? Triple allied countries. Triple allied countries are nothing but Axis countries. We call this one as Axis countries. Okay, Axis countries. We can call them as Axis countries. Here we call them these countries. This group called countries. This group called countries are what is that? Allied countries. Okay. Now we go for next. Okay. See, we able to see here Archduke Ferdinand. See, this is the person. He was Crown Prince of Austria. He was known as Crown Prince of Austria. Okay. See, this is a common citizen of Serbia. These photos are rare photos. For your sake, I have collected here. See, this is just like this common citizen of Serbia. Now this is the prince. Now, okay, Nana. See, he took that short weapon and he killed him. That leads to form World War I. Okay, we go for next. We able to see here Austria. Where is Austria? See, once check here. This is what? Austria. Here Austria. Where is Serbia? See here, this is Serbia. See, this Austria came to Serbia and captured this one. These are called as what? Balkan politics. This area is Balkan area. We have seen. So actually here Serbians, they have a relation, racial relation is there with Russians. Here we see here the capital city of Russia is Moscow. See here, we can see here Moscow. We see here Moscow. Okay, so Serbians wanted to maintain good relation with Russia. See here Russia. These people, they have good relation. These Serbians, they wanted to join in Russia but not in Austria. Okay, we able to see here world map, Europe map. We is able to see here Italy, Austria, Poland, Germany, France, Britain, Finland, Russia. Okay. See, as we know that in First World War, our Indians were at the time, the period of First World War I, we know that 1914 to 1918. At that time we were controlled by whom? British people. So we were joined in British army. Our Indian forces, they were passed away. How many member in First World War? 70,000 of Indian army was passed away in World War I. That thing you remember. We able to see here how that war destruction was took place. See how these things were took place in those days. So that is why, see here we able to see here Eric Hobsbawm told that 20th century is the age of extremes. He told that 20th century is that age of extremes. Okay, now see here the long-term causes of World War I: aggressive nationalism. See, next to imperialism, secret alliances, militarism, Balkan politics. We have understood what is that Balkan politics. These are the all long-term causes of World War I. Okay. Now, secret alliances, militarism, Balkan politics, we have seen all. Okay. Okay, Balkan politics. We continue. Okay. These are the things. Okay. Aggressive nationalism, imperialism, militarism. Okay, these are the things. Now we see here. First, we will see first the destruction of war. First, let us see here the destruction of war. How much destruction of war was took place in World War I? The total 1 crore population was dead. That 1 crore population were dead. Among them, we able to read here 75,000 of people were dead from Indian side. 75,000 people. And in World War I, Indians were fight against Axis powers. That means what? Indians were fight behalf of allied countries like America, Britain, France, Russia. We were supported to British people only. We were fight against Germany, France, like that, Axis powers. Okay, next in Second World War destruction, we see 2.5 crores population. 2.5 crore of soldiers were dead. Okay, these are and so many common citizens were also dead. Now focus here. After completion, this figure is saying that, see how much of you see here sorrow was brought these world wars. See, we see the brothers and sisters, they lost their neighbors. How the people, they lost their neighbors. We able to understand now. See, after completion of World War I, a great treaty was took place in the year of 1919. It was took place in France, that is Versailles building. That is called as what? The Treaty of Versailles. It is called as what? The Treaty of Versailles. The Versailles name of the building, it is located at France. Okay, now what are the treaty means? What agreements? What are the agreements what took place among the victorious countries versus defeated countries? Now focus here. That victorious countries, name the victorious countries in World War I. America, Britain, France, Russia. These countries, they blamed Germany. Germany is the main country which was brought World War I. They blamed like that, and they they treated Germany like in a humiliated way. Now we see the German Empire also broken up and replaced by a democratic republic. Germany in those days, actually it was ruled with a autocratic government. Now all the victorious countries, they made Germany as a democratic republic country, and Ottoman Empire was replaced by the Republic of Turkey. Now they formed the Turkey, the country. They declared independence for Turkey, and Africa were divided among the victorious powers. Africa, it was shared by the victorious countries like Britain, France, Russia. That countries, they shared African lands. Okay, and a large number of new countries were formed like Austria, Hungary, Yugoslavia, Czechoslovakia, Estonia, okay, Latvia, Finland. These are the countries were formed. Okay, this is what Treaty of Versailles. Now last part of this video, we go for next. Okay, next we see here the League of Nations. League of Nations, this is the first international organization which was formed for to prevent world wars. It was a great thought by American president. It was formed in the year of 1920, January 11th. Okay, 11th, January 11th. This is the first international organization which was formed to prevent world wars, and it was formed by American president, that is Woodrow Wilson. So at the time, in how many countries were there? How many membered countries are there in League of Nations? Only 58 countries were there. We able to see here all this information. 58 countries were there. Woodrow Wilson, in those days, he was acted as a American president. He was a president of America. He brought this idea to prevent world wars. Okay, he was the one of the establisher for League of Nations. Very, very important. This is the first international organization which was established for prevention of world wars. Okay, it was established this year also, very, very important. The 1920 in the month of Jan 11th. These are the things. Now we meet in next video that we complete our lesson. Okay, Nana, thank you.